Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at the latest high-tech vector charts used throughout the world. These charts show less clutter, and I'm going to show you how to use your mouse to get more information on any chart symbol that you see on a vector chart. Two types of electronic charts are used throughout the world today. The raster chart shows a snapshot of the nautical chart. You can see this raster chart of San Juan Harbor looks just like a nautical chart. This vector chart shows San Juan Harbor with much less clutter. We can right or double click with our mouse over any symbol to get more information. On the west side of the channel, you can see green tinted shoals with V-shaped symbols inside. This electronic symbol indicates intertidal areas that cover and uncover with the tide. Note the dashed lines that surround this slender object. This indicates a dangerous wreck with a depth unknown, always underwater. Look at these symbols that show three waves slanted in a horizontal line. We can right or double click our mouse over any of these waves to find that these are dangerous breakers. Now let's go over to the other side of our chart and take a look at Juan Light. This light shows a group of 3 flashes every 40 seconds, stands 55 meters above sea level, and will be visible for 24 nautical miles on a clear night. The light sector shows an arc of 220 degrees. By day, you can identify the structure as a buff-colored square tower on an octagonal base located on Morro Castle. Just to the north of the point, you can see a piece of land surrounded by both solid and dashed lines. That part surrounded by the solid line indicates a breakwater always dry. That part surrounded by dashed lines indicates the part of the breakwater that will always be underwater or submerged. Use this introduction to vector chart symbols to help you sail safer with electronic charts wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.